Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2004 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. Consider the sequence of 8085 instructions given below. LXI H, 9258, move A, M, CMA, move M, A. Which one of the following is performed by this sequence of instructions? So what operation is performed by using this sequence of instruction? LXI 9258. LXI implies nothing but load register pair indicated in the instruction. H is indicated, that is nothing but register pair is HL. So now HL is going to be loaded with 9258. So H will be taking 92, L will be taking 58. So this will be taking place like this. So this is 92 and it is 58, H and L. So HL register is going to be loaded with 9258. So load register pair HL with 9258, so that H will be loaded with 92, L will be loaded with 58. This is what it is done with the help of first instruction. Next, move M, M. Move M, M implies nothing but contents of memory is going to be loaded into accumulator. Move the contents of memory specified by M. Okay, M implies nothing but memory. Move the contents of memory into A. So what actually is doing is nothing but A will be loaded with contents of memory. So contents of memory will be loaded with A. How to specify memory? In 8085. In 8085, memory M is pointed out. Is pointed using HL register pair. HL register pair. So the pair HL registers pair of registers HL are going to be used to point memory location. So whatever the content of HL, that is nothing but the memory location M. M is nothing but HL. M is nothing but HL. Whatever the contents of HL register pair, that implies nothing but contents of HL register combinedly is going to be specified as M. Now that implies nothing but contents of 9258 memory location will be loaded into A. That is, A is loaded with, accumulator is loaded with contents of 9258, because memory is pointing with HL register. HL is going to be having 9258. So at that memory location of 9258, whatever the contents are stored, that contents will be loaded into accumulator. Next, CMA. CMA implies nothing but complement accumulator. Complement accumulator. That is A. Complement accumulator. So the contents of 9258, the contents of memory location 9258 is going to be loaded into accumulator. Later the contents are going to be complemented. And next, move M, A. That is nothing but load memory location. Load memory location. Load memory location specified by HL register. M implies nothing but HL register. HL register contents are nothing but 9258. So load memory location 9258 with contents, with the contents of accumulator, with the content of A. So accumulator content is loaded into memory location specified by the HL register, that is 9258. So first of all, we have loaded HL with 9258. Later that is going to be treated as memory location. Whatever the data present at 9258 is going to be taken into accumulator, and that data gets complemented. Again it is loaded back into 9258. So the right answer for this question is C. C is nothing but contents of location 9258 are complemented and stored back again into 9258 itself. So the option for this question is C.